How does praxis affect brain development? Imagine a tiny explorer touching everything around them, trying to figure out how things work. That curiosity is a big part of how their brain grows and learns. When we talk about praxis, we're talking about the brain's ability to plan, organize, and carry out purposeful movements. It's like the brain's way of coordinating actions based on what it senses. This skill is super important for babies and young children because it helps them interact with their environment, develop motor skills, and do daily tasks. Praxis depends on how well different parts of the brain work together. The parietal lobes process sensory information like touch and pressure. The premotor and motor areas plan and execute movements. The cerebellum helps coordinate those movements smoothly. When a child's praxis skills develop well, their brain strengthens the neural pathways that support motor planning, sensory integration, and adaptive behavior. Sensory integration is closely linked to praxis. It's how the brain organizes and makes sense of all the sensory information it receives from the environment. Sensory play, like touching textured objects, moving through different spaces, or listening to sounds, helps develop this process. When children explore objects by grabbing, squeezing, or feeling different textures, they are practicing praxis. They're learning to coordinate what they sense with how they move. Creating an environment rich in sensory experiences encourages better praxis development. When children are free to explore safely, they build confidence and improve their ability to plan and carry out movements. For example, playing with textured balls, climbing on soft mats, or reaching for toys helps strengthen neural connections. These activities support brain growth by reinforcing circuits involved in motor skills, problem solving, and adapting to new challenges. If a child struggles with praxis, they might find it hard to complete everyday tasks like dressing, drawing, or playing. This can sometimes point to differences or delays in brain development. But caregivers can help by providing varied sensory experiences. Activities like playing with different textured materials, encouraging reaching and grasping, or exploring new environments stimulate sensory integration and motor planning. These experiences help the brain build the connections needed for coordinated movement and learning. In the end, praxis shapes how the brain develops by connecting sensory input with purposeful movement. Sensory play and enriching environments are key to nurturing this process. When children are supported with opportunities to explore and interact, their brains grow stronger and more adaptable, setting a foundation for healthy development and lifelong learning.